Okay, this is me and my little sister, and we're here to prove to you that Bloody Mary does not exist. Okay? Well, let me shut my phone off real quick. Okay. You have to excuse me, but it's gonna get dark real quick. Brianna, hit the lights. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hold the camera. Oh no, I don't think I'm ready. You ready? Alright, we gotta do it this time, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to do it. Okay, here we go. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Anything happen yet? Anything happen?
Oh my God!